everyone, today I will introduce our hot styling product. Look at this front. It's a glass door here and it has customer curtain. Another fridge is plastic door fridge. The door is PP material. When we open it, it is same with this glass door fridge. There are two modes, cold and hot. There are AC and DC electrical connections. Now we can look at what's inside. We have one shelf to divide this space into two layers. And you can see it's perfectly matched. Also, this side shelf we can put the facial mask. Look at this, and then we can gently push. If you are interested in this glass door and plastic door fridge, you can contact us.